In this video of SEO course, today you will learn what are Google Search Console enhancement reports and their uses. We will teach you practically, step by step, in detail. Friends, this is an important video. Watch it till the end and subscribe to the channel for important videos and courses. The key thing is, the Marketing Fundas has launched the Maha Bundle course for you. And in this course, you can learn more than 50 digital technical skills and connecting with all marketing fundas. You can also start your learning and earning. So don't delay. The link is in the description. Click and join. And friends, please watch this video till the end. Thank you. You can call the given numbers for digital marketing services, training and consultancy, or visit our website.
Hello friends, in this particular video, we are going to talk about Google Search Console's enhancement reports. That what is an enhancement report and what information can you gather from it. So basically, enhancement reports are generated because of the structured data that we implement in our Google Search Console. So guys, the structured data, you get it? The structured data, which is also known as schema, rich snippets that you use in your website in order to enhance your website and achieve better results. So their reports along with their data are presented here. Now it depends on the structured data used on your website. Snippets or structured data you have used, right? Okay, so that information and its report will be seen in the enhancement. Now, it also varies from website to website. Like in which website, what type of schema is added, right? And friends, when we talk about this website, it contains CMP, breadcrumbs, and site links. If we talk about breadcrumbs, and when we talk about breadcrumbs, there are no errors, no critical issues. Everything here is valid. That means all the web stories URL that you can see here, all the web stories URL are valid. So basically, what is this? An enhancement report essentially means something that improves or makes something better. Now, in the case of our website, some are web stories, some are blogs, which are shown in the enhancement reports. So friends, there is no schema or structured data added in this. Like, for example, things to enhance. Still, the report you are seeing here it's showing in breadcrumbs, which are yours pages, right? Means your blog where your posts are. And what else is there? Web stories are also there. Yes, you can see it here. And some here are related only to web stories. Okay, what is brand positioning? A complete guide on Google Analytics will help you understand. So this website does not have any special schema concepts. Like enhancement reports show you schemas. But yes, now on this website, we have actually seen and we can see. You'll find information on marketingfundas.com with cycling search boxes, in which our site links appear in the search box, right? But here also, which is proper. But you are not seeing anything like richest result. But friends, despite this, there are some important items that appear in the rich results. For example, web stories. Mostly I am seeing that they are web stories and some are also blogs. And few are normal blogs like what is distribution and keyword research and all the other items. Yes, they're all ours. Web stories. So these are in our rich results. It appears like Google Analytics. Our web stories provide insights. So friends, the breadcrumbs appear if I will show you by searching keywords of this type on our website. So our results provide breadcrumbs. See, therefore here in enhancement, the breadcrumb report is coming right. And this is because we didn't get some information in a structured, organized way and represented the post. That's why breadcrumb on our SERP, that is our results page, it appears here. So all these reports are found in enhancements, and it also depends on your schemas and what type of structured data you have used in your website. Depends on that. So friends, that's all for now. We'll be back with more interesting topics in future videos. Thank you so much.
I hope, friends, you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, let me know in the comments. If you want to take digital marketing services or digital marketing training from us, so you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or can call us on the given numbers. Friends, Marketing Fundas has launched a partner program for you, so that friends, you can begin your instant learning. Okay, it's a very easy program. The link is in the description. Click to join and get started. And friends, thank you so much for watching Marketing Funda.